Get out of the vehicle. It's not safe in there. You can get hit.
You gotta get out, brother.
No? Yeah, go ahead and get out of the vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Just gotta wait here for a wait. Where you heading to?
I'm going home.
Where do you live?
From north.
And what?
Where I know it's 16 dude.
Where you coming from? From the
I
bar?
was checking on my girlfriend.
What's wrong with your car?
I don't know.
Don't fall down, man.
No.
Don't fall down. Got anything to drink tonight?
No, I haven't.
None?
I had a little bit.
A little bit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, stand over here, man. We're hit by a car.
All right.
Stand over there.
Yes, sir. All right.
Look.
Get the key out of it. Good Lord. He came out of the bushes right there.
I told you that girl seen him. You don't take that back there.
Yeah. It's all right.
What'd you hit?
No. All right. Thank you.
You can't drive off, man.
Oh. Okay. Huh?
What?
You can't drive off.
You can't go nowhere, man.
Oh no, I'm good. I'm good.
What happened to your front of your car right here?
Somebody hit it.
Somebody hit it?
Yeah.
Got some damage, like a bunch of tree damage right there.
Yeah. You got leaves sticking out in front of your car here. What's your name?
Alex.
Huh?
Alex.
Alex what?
Alex Juarez.
Where do you live? What's your phone number?
123 Sylvester Road.
No, what's your phone number?
123 Sylvester Road.
No, what's your phone number?
123
That's your address.
Okay.
What's your phone number?
Phone number.
123 Sylvester Road. That's what it is.
West Road or Sylvester?
Yeah.
What's your phone number?
That's Houston, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Right on the corner.
Yeah, I don't know. 77009?
Yes, sir.
What's your phone number? I need your phone number. Huh?
Alex Juarez.
I know, but I need your phone number, the number to your phone.
Okay, Alex Juarez.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's your phone number?
281-872-2.
just hang tight. We'll be with you in a minute. You should ask him for his address or to give you his phone number.
Right? Oh, no more. That's the address.
Just hang tight, man. We'll get you out of here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hang tight, brother. Where you coming from again?
I'm trying to get home.
Oh. Is that bad?
No. That's what I'm told.
All right, man. Just hang tight, brother.
All right. Thank you.
Maybe it's right there. I don't know.
Check the traffic pattern between the northbound ramp that looks at West Highway for small vehicles.
Trying to get out of here.
What's up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here, man. Come here.
Yes, sir.
Stay right there.
Yeah.
Stay right there, brother.
I'm just trying to get out of here.
This is go right here.
Huh? That was easy, GWI. That's a 4 months worth. Let me know when you get down over here close to the county. Overnight care.
Engine 68, ladder 68. That's 59 outbound W Belford and 11,450 Southwest 59 freeway outbound. Near Southwest 59 and outbound.
69, should we go traffic control?
Whatever that location, but there's 3 SO deputies sitting over here with their hands walking by.
He just walked away from her.
Good people, time to lie.